What is
We're
up,
gonna get
gamers?
cancelled.
Yes. This is a very epic alpha pack opening. As you can see, I have 5 esport packs and 52 alpha packs. I should probably fucking screenshot this shit.
Yeah, screen share.
Yeah. Same when you're in.
I mean, that's what she said.
This is...
Wouldn't it be funny if you got duplicate R4C black eyes?
Oh god, I would be so fucking mad. Also, your mic sounds kind of weird again.
Oh fuck, is it a bean can again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just restart my PC after this.
Alright.
That's what I did
Anyways.
last time.
So, are you in the screen share?
Yeah.
Is it loading or is it normal?
Nah, I'm in.
Alright. As you can see, I have 52 normal alpha packs and 5 esports packs. Should I start with the esports?
Yeah.
Alright. Time to fucking open this bullshit, which is probably a fucking scam anyway. Out of my
Oh
time.
shit, it's actually good if it's a blue. It's a uniform.
Holy shit, the
Or a
music.
headgear.
Triumphant
Ooh.
Challenger.
Very
Okay.
challenger.
Hibana headgear. Yes. That is quite challenger. Okay.
Oh shit, the
epic.
weapon skin. Ooh! Wait.
Fucking hell, I actually wanted this one. That's the problem, I actually wanted it. Anyway, when Pokemon doesn't send feed pics. Should I open the next one or?
Yes.
Alright,
Do it.
please wait. Blue again. Okay. And
Holy shit, your
it's the
Hibana is so
uniform.
tripped out.
It's
Your
the
Hibana has
uniform
that
to
and
the headgear.
BDS.
Yes. Alright.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Wow.
Bandit headgear. Not bad so far, actually.
Yeah, look, now the next one's gonna be a fucking pulse charm.
Yeah. I can't. Oh, now
Oh
I
my
can
god,
open
it's
it.
another uniform.
It's another blue. It's the Bolts uniform. Fuck this game. Fuck Bolts. I don't even play
Fuck
him.
Pulse. Oh, my homies hate pulse.
Anyways, time to the main attraction, the 52 alpha packs. Fuck you,
Off to a
Siege.
great start.
This actually doesn't even look that bad, though.
Oh shit.
It would actually
still
go
doesn't look
really
as
well
good as
with
the-
Red Silk. It
True.
would actually go really
Still
well
doesn't
with
look as
Red
well as
Silk.
the Shaco charm though.
I'm not gonna sub to Shaiko. What the fuck is that bullshit? That just looks like the default,
what
but
changed? What changed?
the glasses or something? I don't fucking know. Oh, fuck you, game. Come on. What the fuck is this?
That's the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
That's so scuffed. God damn it. Bro, what? The seasonal
Alpha packs are
skins, they
such a
look so
scam.
shit. Bro. Can you just fucking stop? Like, this is what I want the alpha packs to do right now. I want them to fucking stop giving me commons and uncommons. Fuck you.
What the fuck?
That was just straight bullshit. Ubisoft. What the fuck? Why did I read violate instead of volatile first?
Violate gray.
Oh yeah,
Oh, my
time to
homies
violate
hate
gray. That looks
Honestly,
shit.
it's not that bad. I mean,
Yeah, but
it
it
could
still
have been
looks
worse. Yeah, it could have
still
been the
looks shit.
Maui one.
Imagine if Maui was a fucking operator skin. Arctic moss. Bro, Ubisoft, what the fuck? What the fuck?
There is no fucking way. There is actually
Are you
no way. I
fucking
think you.
kidding me, Ubi? This
I
has
think
got
if
to
you
be
get
one of
another
the
comment, you should
worst
just
fucking
press
alpha
escape 2
pack.
times really fast.
This has got to be one of the worst alpha packs openings on YouTube. Like, look at this bullshit. That actually doesn't even look that bad. At least for an uncommon.
True.
When Pokemon doesn't fart. Fucking hell.
Have you gotten a single epic?
14 fucking alpha packs in. And nothing.
You haven't gotten a single epic. Oh my god.
At least
That actually looks pretty good. It looks like someone
I'm not a
shat
big
on his
fan
head.
of
It's
it.
like a, it's like a Walmart version of Ember Rise.
Yeah. Walmart Ember Eyes. Fuck you. What has changed?
What?
What the fuck has changed? Oh,
Oh, let's go, PugChamp.
come on, Ubi.
R4C, R4C.
I can't describe my fucking disappointment right now.
Bro, this is literally like Chinese Walmart fucking
Oh.
Swagger Souls. Oh.
Okay. That actually looks
really
fucking
cool.
good.
Yeah,
Finally a
I actually
good
want that one.
skin.
Only took 16 alpha packs.
Yeah. Only took like 17 alpha packs, but who cares?
Yeah.
I know why it's called mushroom. That's what you see when you're on shrooms.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, fucking hell. Why Blackbeard? Take Blackbeard out of the fucking game.
Facts. It's gonna be another comment.
What the fuck has changed? Nothing has changed.
Website UB went into Photoshop and changed the color.
Yeah.
And
They
called it
literally
a
just
day.
went into paint and took the fucking fill thingy and just went to town. With a slightly lighter color. Okay, blue. $1.15K for a rare duplicate. Holy shit.
That's actually like hella stonks.
Yeah.
This isn't though.
Frick
We're
you,
not gonna talk
Ubisoft.
about that one.
Yeah. Okay. I can fuck with that. That actually
You
looks
can
decent.
you can fuck with a health hazard.
Fuck yeah. Your mom is a health hazard.
Oh shit. Bro, you really got me there.
Yeah. But honestly, that skin looked actually decent for rare.
You're getting so many rares.
That actually looks good.
Bro, it's
Like-
like someone vomited RGB.
Fucking unicorn shit. Why am I getting so many blues right now?
I hate this skin so much.
That
now.
already screams I give up. I mean, it's the P90, it's the French flag.
Yeah, what
How
else
much
do you
more
need?
does it wanna scream fucking I give up?
Why didn't you just make the entire gun skin white?
I know, right? Pretty much the same. That actually looks
That actually
good.
looks so nice. Wow. Kinda looks like the seasonal skin from like last year. I mean last season.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually like that one. And back to
But we don't
the
like
whites.
Oh my god.
Dissociate. I wanna fucking disassociate with this skin.
There is no way you get only 2 epics and 50 alpha packs. 52. No way.
Nah. What the fuck?
Yeah, you just have to scream I like men and then you'll get a legendary.
Nah, man. I'm good. Bro. Hijab. I'm about
Bottom
to get
text.
cancelled.
Hijab, bottom text.
That actually looks decent for a common.
Yeah, too bad you have the esports one.
Yeah, true. The one I actually wanted.
Yeah.
But it's changed. That looks so shit.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone get so many comments.
Thank you, Ubisoft. The Grim Sky skin is such... It's so half-assed.
Man,
That
this
actually
really
looks
is...
good.
Honestly, the gridlock skin is so underrated.
Yeah.
No cap. Bro, I want to see some color. Surely there's rainbow in this game for a reason, right?
Yeah.
Apparently not.
Bro, the Grim Sky skin, it's so fucking half-assed. Look at this bullshit.
Bitch has spots like a cow.
Yeah. Literally. What the fuck? Bro, this
Bro, why
is
is
just
it
a
bent
fucking
over like that?
reminder for me to tweet.
Yeah.
To tweet some random bullshit. Ubisoft. How many more fucking times do I have to repeat myself? This shit is a fucking scam. I've been grinding for weeks. For what? For this bullshit.
Oh, not again. Wait,
Iceman.
can you see how many alpha packs you have left?
10.
Oh god. Okay, we need all 10 of these to be black ice for this to be worth it.
It's already not worth it. It wasn't worth it from the beginning.
You've got 3 common uniforms for Blackbeard.
How many fucking wind bastions do I have now? How many?
This one's taking long to load because the skin is so HD. Oh.
Very HD.
Never mind.
Oh?
See, I told you it was loading some HD skins right here.
I'm gonna click the man down here. Psych. I should have clicked the man. This looks shit. Ubi,
Looks like
why
a
is
Wind
this
Bastion
epic?
headgear.
Why is this epic? It looks like fucking Wind Bastion. Another reminder for me to tweet some random bullshit.
Maybe they want you to just tweet about how dog shit your luck is.
This is a reminder that I should go fucking bury myself from Ubi. Thank you, Ubi.
Bro, hear me out.
Hand of protection.
More like hand of these nuts. Got him.
Hand of scam.
Who's Joe?
I didn't. I got 3 fucking black ices out of 52 alpha packs.
What?
You know what? I'm
Oh my god.
gonna fucking buy more. Fuck you. Fuck you, Ubi. I'm gonna buy 3 more. And it's probably not gonna be worth it, but you know what? Fuck it.
What you get all free black ice? It might actually happen. Okay, never mind.
The fucking Blackbeard again.
That looked cool if it wasn't Blackbeard.
God, I wish that was someone else. Who the fuck is giving me those skins? I wanna beat their shit out of them.
Oh shit. I don't know, what's that worth? You basically bought the skin for 15k renown.
That shit actually looks
it's
good,
pretty-
but still,
pretty cool.
I've been scammed. I've been scammed out of
I'm
weeks
not even
of
joking.
fucking grinding.
I actually haven't seen someone with worse luck.
I mean, this one actually looks decent, but
By the way, look
I've
at
been
this.
fucking scammed out of 3, no, I think even 4 weeks of just straight grinding.
At least you got the guy
Scry-
to cry on Twitter. Look.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking end this bullshit right here because this is just fucking heresy.
Yeah.
Alright. Whoever fucking went through this bullshit with me, I hope you get better skins than me.
That's
I hope you
very
don't
nice.
get fucking scammed out of weeks and
I
weeks
have a
of
video of
grinding.
me opening 90 alpha packs, and it's arguably more of a scam than this.
Alright, I
Look.
will see you in the next video.
Goodbye,
Bye.
Jude Pollers. I'm gonna set my fucking pool on fire.
See ya, gamers.